Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closed higher on Wednesday as the Nasdaq reached its highest level since October 2018. Shares in automobiles and components, as well as semiconductors and semiconductor equipment and consumer durables and apparel, they gained on a bit of strength. On the economic docket, mortgage applications declining by 5.6% in the week ended April 5th from a jump of 18.6% the previous week. CPI improved by 0.4% in March as expected, and the monthly deficit improved to $146.9 billion in March. This all as 73% of S&P 500 constituents traded higher yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, Bed Bath & Beyond announcing fourth quarter LPS of $1.92 versus an EPS of $1.41 1 year ago on net sales down 11% year over year. Asian markets, meanwhile, mixed today. The Nikkei up 0.11%, the Hang Seng down 0.93%. China CSI 300 down 2.16%, and South Korea's Kospi unchanged. European markets edging higher, and U.S. futures calling for a slightly positive start. Now, in terms of expectations today, Fastenal first quarter EPS seen at 67 cents on sales of approximately $1.3 billion. At the same time, on the economic docket, 8:30 in the morning, we have core PPI figures as well as regular PPI figures for the month of March, and both continuing and initial jobless claims. Now, over in the markets, the S&P 500 is where we begin. That sees a bullish bias above 28.85. The Nasdaq sees a bullish bias above 76.08, while the Dow Jones sees a bullish bias above 26,105, and that's in focus. A support base at 26,105 has formed and has allowed for a temporary stabilization. Long positions above 26,105 are favored, with targets at 26,220 and 26,280 in extension.